Hello everybody, my name is Aitya and today is going to be the first day. By first day I mean that last video was the introduction. So from today onwards we're going to be starting the coding part of our Jarvis AI. So if you hear any noises in the background, please forgive me, it's raining heavily outside. So let's create a uh, first create a file called speak.py. So we're going to be importing a few modules for the entire project, but for this file we'll only be needing one. So import pyttsx3, and if you want to install this, if you don't have this installed, I'll leave a description, leave a installation process. Sorry, installation process. What am I saying? I'll tell you how to install them. You just have to write pip. This wait, pip install pyttsx3. But I won't be telling this in every video, so I'll just leave it in the description. So we'll import this, and then now we're going to be defining our function. So it's going to be called say, and first engine, it's going to be our variable. Then pyttsx3 dot init. We're going to be using a module, what am I saying, an API provided by Microsoft, which is called SAPy5. If you want to learn more about it, you can go onto the net and search about it, but I'm not going to show you right now because I want to keep this video as short as possible. So voices is equal to engine dot get property, and then right inside voices engine dot set property. I'm gonna explain this in one video. If you want me to explain it, if you know what I'm doing, great, good job. But if you're not able to understand what I'm doing, I'll be making a separate video if you want, or else I won't be making it if you're able to understand. So engine.set property, voice, comma, voices, and then we're gonna put in, oh sorry, what's happening? Voices, and then we're gonna be putting in, uh, let's put in 0 since Jarvis as a male voice, not a female voice. So 1 and 0, what they do is that uh, if you want to check, you can print it out. So print, let's not do this over here. Let me just first turn this into a comment. 3, 3. Now let's do it outside this print. I'm just gonna copy this. See, so print voices. Uh, I think there's an error or something, but what it's supposed to do is that it's gonna print out mainly there are two. If you have more installed on your device, that's good. What it does, see, voices, and then sorry, voices one. I think that should do it. Yeah. In voices one, 0. which is a female voice provided by I think Microsoft, and then we have everything else in here. Zira, age none, gender none. It's a female voice. Languages there are multiple, that's why it's empty. If you do 0, there you go. Now we have David. It's a male voice, so we're gonna be using David. We're not gonna be using Zira. So let me just erase this all. Okay. And then engine dot set property. Now we're gonna setting up the rate of the voice. So if you want it to speak fast or slow, it's gonna be up to that. So I'm setting it to 200 because I like it a little fast. Then print. If you want to add this, you can add the print, but I'm just adding it for a little bit of style. The print. Wait. I need to add the other things inside. Print. And now you can add in whatever name you want. I'm just gonna add in AI. Then inside this, we're gonna be adding in text, and over here, we're also gonna be adding text. So engine dot say text is equal to text engine dot run and wait, and then you can add in print. Sorry, just add in this. So let me just explain what it's doing. It's engine is a variable, and it's we're gonna be using pytdxx3, and inside of pytdxx3 there is an API which is provided by Microsoft, SAPI 5, and then voices. As I showed you, it like gives us the voices, and we're gonna be using 0.id. Sorry, need to add dot id. Engine dot set property rate is going to be 200, and then print space. Let's just run this if it's working or not. Okay, as you can see, it's working. So say, okay, it's increased. Say hello world. Let's do this.
Hello, world.
As you saw, it worked. I'll just erase this.
Hello, world.
You can slow this down if you want, like to 180.
Hello, world.
Yeah, and then you can increase it even more. Just 300, I think it works.
Hello, world.
Yeah, that's a little too fast. Let's just set it to 180. So we have our voice done. So it's like our voice is done. So next video we're gonna be creating the ears. It's gonna be in listen.py. So I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day.